today was a great day to get outdoors before the rain moved in.
Hope you had a chance. We caught some people outside enjoying the swings, hanging out, playing some frisbee. A lot of good things to do outside today, John Milan.
Yeah, it certainly was. Today is officially the first day of summer, meteorologically speaking. Traditional was on Monday, and of course, later in June we'll have astronomical summer. 80 degrees the high, average 71, so a very warm day. And you know, we don't really see 80 as an average high temperature until July 2nd. Look at these high temperatures today. While it jumped into the low 80s in Milwaukee, mid 70s out to the west, 67 Twin City, 66 Fargo, that air moving in our direction. Dew point starting to drop, 49 Wausau, 49 Eau Claire, 46 in Rhinelander, 50 in Madison, a comfortable 52 here. We were in the mid 60s earlier today. Our temperature is still pretty mild, 71 Milwaukee and Racine, 64 in Waukesha, down to 61 already in Beaver Dam. And your overnight low temperatures pick out your town, down to 52 in Watertown and Beaver Dam, 55 Waukesha, West Bend, 56 Port Washington, and Sheboygan with 57 here in Milwaukee. There are the showers. This is about 4 hours worth of radar time lapsing. You can see most of the showers are gone. As we pull out for you, skies are starting to clear. All the clouds wrapping around the energy of that low pressure system, which is well to our north. Front is passing through. It's actually to the east already. You can see the clearing skies by morning, clear to partly cloudy skies. On Thursday, cool air continues to settle in, but here comes a warm front for Friday. It starts to warm us up, and it could touch off some showers and storms late in the afternoon and into the evening. And some of these in the evening could be strong. So we'll be watching that Friday evening for you. For tonight, 57 degrees under mostly clear skies. That's at the lakeshore, 52. Well, inland, lots of sunshine for tomorrow, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, 73. Closer to the lake, 76. Again, very pleasant, dry air. We get a little more humidity into Friday, 76. Your high temperature, 81 inland. Storms could arrive late afternoon and early evening. Here's your 7-day forecast. Saturday, best chance of showers and storms, 75 degrees, 68 with a few showers into Sunday. We start next week in the low 70s with a chance of showers and storms into Monday, and then we'll be back up to 76 degrees on Wednesday. And in the morning hour, it is little Deja Jones, 11 years old, cutie pie. Deja, 60 degrees under mostly sunny skies. We'll be back with more after this.